Hi, it's me. It's Friday, and I'm pretty excited because we have a special guest star. His name is Jasper, and as you can tell, he's really excited to be here today for whatever this is. But anyhow, he's gonna go now. But by the International Lesbian Code. Oh, sorry, I'm gay. For those of you who don't realize that, I try to hide it pretty well, and I think I do a good job at it. This little floral print thing today is a pretty good cover, I think. Anyhow. My point to this is, it's not really my point, but I'm gonna say it's my point. Is that I didn't really plan to have a dog, but by International Lesbian Code, I'm required to have either a small lap dog, a Labrador, or 5 cats. And honestly, the 5 cats were kind of overwhelming. But there's a code for everything, and so you just gotta comply, check with the home office. Some things I'm really good at. I've played softball in the past, and that wasn't enough, so I had to lift weights. But some things I'm still working on. My goats, my lesbian goats. I don't know how to fix cars, and although I've ridden a motorcycle, and I rode one for a couple of years, I don't know how to fix a motorcycle. And so pretty much, if it breaks down, I just leave it by the side of the road, and I go buy a new one. But it's Friday. I hope you're having a good day, and I hope you get to lift something heavy, and maybe something in a heavy glass like whiskey, because that's pretty good. Anyhow, bye.